Welcome back. Let's unbox. The Nike Dunk Low Venice features a smooth white leather upper with light violet overlays and swooshes. From there, matching woven tongue labels and soles complete the design. Coming in a pleasing, light-colored hue, this Dunk Low will be a women's exclusive release. Built from a crisp, white leather upper that is dressed with pastel purple overlays across the toe box. Iconic Nike swoosh, eyelets and heel panel. Nike branding can be found stitched in white on the heel panel, matching to the label at the top of the tongue in usual Dunk style. A white lace unit makes for a clean finish on this Dunk Low. Wires perforations across the toe box add that all-important breathability. Created for the hardwood but taken to the streets, the 80s b-ball icon returns with perfectly shined overlays and classic team colors. Subscribe for more unboxing.